How to send location in Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Hello Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can send or share your location in Messenger. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Messenger. Next thing what you want to do is you want to open up the chat that you wish to send your location to. I'll just open up this particular chat. Now at the bottom of the screen you can see various options, right? You'll get the option to type in your message, your emoji option, your voice message option, gallery, and there you can see at the bottom left the plus icon. If you tap on the plus icon there, you'll get an interface like this. You can see two different options. You'll get location and play games. Simply tap on location option and you can see share live locations with friend option popping up. You want to simply tap on allow location access and then tap on allow, and you can allow it while using the app, and you can enter in your location here, and then you can simply tap on send location and the location will be sent here. I'll just show it to you. So as you can see, this way you can send your location in Messenger. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.